In this video, I'm building my first micro soldering project, a multifunctional weather station based on the ESP8266. I picked this kit to improve my soldering skills while also learning more about electronics in a hands-on way. Kits like these from AliExpress are fun to assemble and a great way to gain practical experience. Unfortunately, I wasn't successful in programming the station because the website didn't provide an API key needed to pull weather data from my location. Still, I learned a lot from the process, and assembly was a rewarding experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.